More than 500,000 units sold. The 9500iX by Escort is the top-selling radar and laser detector of all time. The legacy continues with the rebirth of a new industry legend. The Escort iX puts all the range and intelligence of the 9500iX into a smaller, faster package and adds the next-generation features you want at the price to satisfy. The new iX offers the long-range early warning protection Escort is known for, now with built-in Bluetooth connectivity. The multicolor OLED display intuitively displays the type and strength of each threat to help you make the best decision every time. GPS technology, plus an updatable in-vehicle technology filter rejects false alarms from both fixed positions and moving vehicles, including newer sources of false alerts like lane departure warning systems and adaptive cruise control. Variable speed sensitivity delivers alerts that matter for your specific driving situation. For even more protection, use the Escort Live app on your smartphone and sync your detector for real-time crowdsourced threat alerts. All these features and more are wrapped up in a new sleek design. And iX's revolutionary new Easy Mag Mount instantly provides secure, no-hassle attachment. The average speeding ticket costs $150. And getting one ticket means you're likely to pay $900 in increased insurance costs over the next 3 years. Even though you may not ordinarily speed, limits can change quickly and catch you unaware, and up to a third of speeding citations are erroneous. With radar and laser detectors legal in every state except Virginia and Washington, D.C., the Escort iX pays for itself when it saves you from just a single ticket. The new Escort iX. A legend reborn.
One of the coolest features of the iPhone 4S is Siri, Apple's intelligent software assistant. Siri lets you use your voice to ask questions, get recommendations, or perform actions like sending a text message. And what's even better, all of Jabra's products that support voice dialing are compatible with Siri. To activate Siri, simply press and hold the Answer N button. Send a text message to Mike. I'm available tomorrow at 9. How cool is that? With Jabra and Siri, going hands-free is now easier than ever.
With the original Porta-Potty, Thetford's portable toilet line, you can be prepared for every situation. Porta-Potties are freshwater flush toilets that can be taken anywhere they are needed. They're sanitary, odorless, leak-proof, easy to use and clean, durable and rugged. The two-piece design and the subsequent ability to easily separate the two tanks adds tremendous convenience and functionality. Waste and odors are sealed off when not in use. The top half holds the fresh water used to wash down the bowl during flushing. The bottom half stores waste until it's time to be emptied into a toilet. A Thetford Porta-Potty portable toilet is a natural for camping, RVing, boating, tailgating, or bedside use.
This is an overview of iAudio's Easy One Touch Mini CD slot mount. First, make sure to eject all CDs from your CD slot before inserting the mount. Then, insert CD slot connector into CD slot and pull the lever toward you. If mount is loose, use included bracket. Insert bracket into underside of mount. Make sure triangle is pointing inward. This will help to fit larger CD slots. To remove bracket, open lever, push CD slot connector and shake. With the US patented Easy One Touch feature, mounting your smartphone is as easy as one touch. Releasing is just as simple. Press the release bars and remove your smartphone. To mount smaller smartphones, use included silicone pads. Peel off cover and place on top of existing pads. Press firmly to make sure they are attached. Easy One Touch Mini CD slot mount gives you the option to view in both portrait and landscape mode. All IoT products come with a full 1-year warranty, so if you have any questions, please contact us at cs@ioti.com.
We all need power, but we always seem to run out of it, either because we choose to enjoy nature away from the grid, or, in disaster scenarios, the grid chooses to get away from us. That's why we've designed this, the CaliPack, a portable solar energy kit that meets dozens of off-grid energy needs, nature trails, photography trips, all-day picnics, disaster scenarios and electricity shutdowns, daily use in areas with unstable electricity supply. The CaliPack is completely autonomous and can fully charge from either the sun, a car, or a wall charger. Its 38 AH battery is powerful enough to charge your iPhone up to 120 times, and powerful enough to provide energy for our entire set for a whole day, including a fridge, until we ran out of beer. You can even add a rain cover to keep the power going in case of rain, and a Bluetooth app for easy management. When designing the CaliPack, our team focused on developing a seamless off-grid user experience with an all-inclusive kit, an optional daisy chain solar panel for double charging power, a cool app, and storage for your devices and accessories. The CaliPack is a must for every off-grid scenario. Fully portable, it provides you with natural free energy wherever and whenever. So, may the power be with you when you need it.
Don't you hate having a flat tire? When you're about to rush for an urgent appointment, imagine fixing a flat tire in a deserted area. Meet Fobo Tire, the most advanced tire pressure monitoring system. Fobo Tire is the first TPMS to use Bluetooth Low Energy. Fobo Tire comes with a 3-level alert telling you when the tire is merely underinflated or if it is dangerous to continue driving. Fobo Tire alerts you of a tire leak even when you're away from your car, giving you time to get it fixed. You will always be on time for your important appointment. Have more than one car? Fobo Tire monitors multiple cars simultaneously. You can even share Fobo Tire with others through our cross-pair technology. And it's great for families, no matter who is using the car. Fobo Tire is intuitively designed for quick and easy installation. Fobo Tire has an inbuilt theft deterrent feature and notification when the sensor is missing. It monitors your car tires continuously 24 hours every day, giving you and your family peace of mind for a safe and comfortable ride. Fobo Tire monitors for you so that you can enjoy the journey.